Is this abuse though? My little chicken journey, dog. I've been like searching for these perfect chicken things, chicken tenders, chicken sandwiches. I don't even know what this thing is called. It's like the chicken dog, see? Just that McDonald's chicken sandwiches. Yeah, spicy, so they man, that thing's spicy. So I think they're trying to steal from what you call it, I was gonna say Chick-fil-A, but that's not the right one. Oh shoot, I just remembered. I got a place I'm gonna go one of these days when I get my money right. I am gonna get that spicy chicken. I had a friend of mine, we had a little video, and that thing was great. I just don't know if he sent it to me or not. But like, man, these chicken sandwiches is pretty dope. But yeah, it's coming soon. Hopefully I can remember it. It's that super spicy one. It was like 3 grades. One of them was regular, one of them was hot, and one of them was like, basically crazy. But yeah, I'm kind of like, I'm like a prostitute for chicken sandwiches. No, I'm joking.